how to change language in Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the language in the Discord app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Discord app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you will be prompted to the settings section. Now here, inside the settings section, if you scroll down a bit, you can see the option labeled as language. So simply tap on it, and now here inside the language, you'll see the list of language. So from here, just select the language from the list that you want, and once you have selected it, Discord will refresh and display everything in your new language. And that's it. That's how you can change language in Discord. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.